Experiencing a key fob not detected error on your 2019 Ford Escape? You're not alone. Ford issued TSB 240015 addressing this. First, the most common culprit is a dead CR232 battery in your key fob. Replace it. If that doesn't work, it could be a receiver issue, often the body control module, BCM. Moisture or software glitches are common causes. Ford offers a free software update at dealerships to address BCM issues. If you've had the issue occur and the battery replacement didn't fix it, you might need to consider doing the relearn procedure or getting a software update from the dealership. Always start with the simple solutions first. If you have recently had water damage to the fob, it may need to be replaced. If battery replacement and software updates don't solve the key fob detection problem, the issue may lie with the receiver module, specifically the body control module, or BCM, which processes the fob signals. If the receiver module is faulty, it may need replacement. This can be costly, typically ranging from $200 to $300 at a Ford dealership, though warranty coverage may apply for some 2019 Escape models. Ford is moving towards digital keys through the Ford Pass app, which reduces reliance on physical fobs and can serve as a workaround if the relearn procedure doesn't work. Battery technology is improving, with lithium-ion fobs and wireless charging on the horizon, offering longer lifespans compared to traditional CR2032 batteries. Consider these advanced troubleshooting steps and future trends when dealing with key fob issues on your 2019 Ford Escape.